So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a new waste kit. The old piping, what they had was the 90-degree turn coming off the disposal, which dropped down, and then also another 90-degree turn that came over to here and into a straight T, and then a Schedule 40 P-trap. So it's getting clogged up a lot. Can't say what's going to happen now. Obviously, the slimier the fluids and the foods that go down this line, it's going to get backed up. But it's all new piping from the wall all the way forward. Went ahead and cut the Schedule 40 pipe back, put a 22-degree turn on there, and then went to an adapter to go to tubular piping. So now it's all nutted. So super easy. You've got nuts everywhere right there. In the event you need to get into that line, so you got a nut there, 2 at the trap, 1 at the tailpiece extension. And then of course there's a telescoping kit right here, which is real nice because to get this apart, you just take those 2 screws, loosen up that nut, and this piece right here slides in and out. So that allows you to change your garbage disposal without taking apart all the junk that normally the way it gets plumbed with all that Schedule 40 pipe. So so it's in. We haven't run any water down it. We're going to run some water down it real quick to make sure that everything is good. But so now it's just a straight shot across. What you had before was a 90-degree turn, 90-degree turn, and then over to there. So now it's just straight through. Down should flow real good. Shouldn't have any trouble with it. Outside of that, this installation is done.